See children, here in this video I am going to explain homework problems from exercise 1.5 first bit, second bit, third bit. First bit, determine the value of the following. That means find the value of the following. Already we have done first three problems. Now we see fourth problem. Log 1 base 7. Log 1 base 7. Log 1 base 7 is equal to 0. We know the formula log 1 base a is equal to 0. Log 1 base a is equal to 0. Therefore, log 1 base 7 is equal to 0. The value of log 1 to any base is equal to 0. That means log 1 base a is equal to 0, log 1 base b is equal to 0, log 1 base 7 is equal to 0, log 1 base 9 is equal to 0, log 1 base 10 is equal to 0, log 1 base 15 is equal to 0. The value of log 1 to any base is equal to 0. Therefore, log 1 base 7 is equal to 0. Next, sixth problem. Log 512 base 2. Log 512 base 2. Here 512 prime factors we have to find. We have to go from 2 table. 2 to the 4, 1 remains 11. 2 5 are 10, again 1 remains, 1 9 to 12, 2 6 are 12. That means 256 are 512. 6 is in units place, 6 is there, again it is divisible by 2. 2 1 are 2, 2 2 are 4, 1 remains, 16, 2 8 are 16. 2 6 are 12, 2 4 are 8, 2 3 are 6, 2 2 are 4, 2 1 are 2, 1 remains 12, 2 6 are 12, 2 8 are 16, 2 4 are 8, 2 2 are 4, 2 1 are 2. Therefore, 512 is equal to how many 2s we got here? You see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 512 is equal, we can write. Therefore, 512 is equal, we can write 2 to the power of 9. 512 is equal 2 to the power of 9. 2 repeated 9 times. So 512 is equal 2 to the power of 9. So here in place of 512, we substitute 2 to the power of 9. Log 512. That means log 512 means in place of 512, we can write 2 to the power of 9. Instead of base 2, base 2. Right? In the next step, log 2 to the power of 9 is equal to 9 log 2. This 9 comes here. Log x to the power of m is equal to m log x formula. So here 9 log 2. Log 2 to the power of 9 is equal to 9 log 2. Instead of base 2, base 2. Which formula we used here? So I am rubbing this. See, from this step to this step, how came log x to the power of m is equal to m log x. Log x to the power of m is equal to m comes here, m log x. Like that, log 2 to the power of 9 is equal to 9 log 2 instead of base 2, base 2. Now, 9 and log between into is there. 9 into log 2 base 2 is equal to 1. Formula log a base a is equal to 1. Log a base a is equal to 1. So, log 2 base 2 is equal to 1. 9 into 1, 9. Next, seventh problem. Log 0.01 base 10. Log 0.01 base 10. See here, log 0.01 base 10 is equal, log 0.01 is there. The 0.01 we have to convert into fractional model.